Pretty good looking start to the work week. We have some sunshine in store for us, at least to start the day. But later on, maybe a couple of rounds of thunderstorms. We had isolated thunderstorms over the weekend, some sun and very sparsely scattered thunderstorms across the map every day of the holiday weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We managed to see some beautiful sunset, though. Some scattered clouds, beautiful sun, though, breaking through. That was the tail end of our Sunday. That's our Louis Donato camera from the studio. Showers and thunderstorms to our west. A weakening complex of activity. We still see quite a bit of lightning with that and expanding southward pretty quickly. But overall, the trend is eastward, and so the possibility that exists of maybe some late morning showers and thunderstorms in our area. 68 right now to start our Monday. We look northward from South Broadway. That's live from our Louis Donato camera. Temperatures right now 60s on our way to the upper 80s. Clouds and showers may shave off a couple of degrees compared to what we've had recently. We are looking at maybe a couple of rounds of rain in store for our Monday, but so far rain free in Rochester. In fact, every day this month, the airport, officially the official registering site, has been rain free. We've had storms around the city at times over the last couple of days, but nothing officially at the airport. 68 right now, dew point 65, air pressure falling 29.96 inches of mercury. Temperatures close to 70 across the map, pretty much everywhere. Preston 69 degrees. Mason City 70, Owatonna 72, and it's 71 in Plainview. Watching that line of thunderstorms move eastward. Still quite a bit of light rain behind that main leading edge of that activity, so we'll at least have some of that hold together for a few hours. Bring us a brief shower around 9:30, 10 o'clock or so this morning. The same cold front generating that activity will trigger some more storms later on, and so we'll keep an eye on that. The best chances of strong to severe weather about 3 o'clock this afternoon until about 9 this evening. Damaging winds, large hail, maybe a brief downpour of rainfall, but a slight risk along and north, mainly of Interstate 90. That'll be the greatest risk of thunderstorms and severe weather overall. Not a huge threat, though, at this point, just a slight chance. That's the second level of the 5-tiered severe weather outlook system from the Storm Prediction Center. And tomorrow, just a marginal risk, perhaps. Early on, a couple of thunderstorms may carry over into the overnight hours. We'll be keeping an eye on that. Otherwise, skies will slowly brighten up and clear off later tomorrow afternoon. And Wednesday, generally dry. Thunderstorms to our north and west. We'll see some of those storms eventually make their way in our direction Thursday. That may be a day we have to watch for maybe some strong activity again with an approaching cold front. But Wednesday, probably the sunniest, hottest day of the week. Thunderstorms for this morning, watch them as they continue to fizzle, but here they come into the area between 9 and about 11 o'clock. We'll see them fall apart before lunchtime. By after noon, we'll look at the possibility of redeveloping scattered showers and thunderstorms for the late afternoon and evening, and perhaps a couple of strong storms coming in for that span of time, also into the overnight hours, a couple of rounds of storms. And also a few storms tomorrow, especially early in the day and for the early afternoon, then increasing sunshine beyond that, behind that next storm system, and then a break for the middle part of the week before we see at least that Thursday round of thunder. The weekend itself actually looks halfway decent, maybe even just a little cooler than some of the heat we'll see during the week. 70 this morning for that morning commute, bright sunshine, pretty quiet situation, very light winds, going from 70s to maybe a couple of storms around 10 or 11 o'clock, and then a few off and on storm chances in the afternoon. 86 by 3. Overall, high temperatures around 87 today for our Monday, which is about 5 degrees above the seasonal average. Already 67 in Bemidji, 73 already in Brainerd this morning, 68 in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, low 70s across most of Iowa, Des Moines 71 and 71 in Dubuque. Weather almanac here in Rochester, 82 and 61, the typical temperatures this time of the year, but above that every day for the last few days. And why change now? Look at instead above average by about 5 degrees. Thunderstorms going on this morning till about maybe the midday hours or so, around 9, 10, 11 o'clock until about lunchtime. Then a break, and then after about 3 or 4 o'clock, more storms develop. Overnight tonight, still a couple of waves of thunderstorm activity fizzling out after midnight. And then tomorrow, a couple of thunderstorms possible with this front. We'll see increasing sun, though, quieter weather in the afternoon. And then we see a warm front push northward. It'll be a hotter, sunnier day on Wednesday. We've seen those storms' chances. So severe weather as far as thunderstorms go, some this morning, a few more this afternoon, and then tomorrow scattered storms mid-morning through the early afternoon again. And Wednesday, a day free from rain with more heat and humidity, and then we'll see another chance of thunderstorms on Thursday, perhaps a handful on Sunday. Overall temperature trend looking pretty warm, but maybe not as warm as the upper 80s to around 90 that was over the weekend. We're talking mid-80s to maybe near 90 for the week. 87 in Rochester today. 88 in Austin with some scattered showers and thunderstorms, partly sunny skies, southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, a couple thunderstorms, maybe some in the evening. And the complex may come in after midnight, 68 overnight. 7-day forecast, a couple of thunderstorms tomorrow, especially in the morning and early afternoon, and then off and on during the day Thursday. But big chunk of the weekend looks bright and rather pleasant with mid-80s. Who'd have thought 84 sounds cool, but that's the way it's looking right now. That'd be the coolest day of the week, and that comes up over the weekend.
Yeah, it sounds like warm temperatures ahead. Thank you, Ted.
You bet.
We have some breaking news